at that moment. If you trigger, you can sell, then it will be helpful. So in case, if you get to be not 53 for WinRC, 53 before that, you will get one more code. So if you put that code here, that will not be any help. Right. So CPM is not able to verify the target account password due to some network error. At that moment, if you trigger, we can also be failed because CPM not able to reach the target only for some specific codes which are reasonable. That codes need to put in this RC reconciled region. If you put all the codes, then again it will not be any help and it will be a burden on the CPM. Okay. Next RC. From RRC to RRC, from R to R same, like password verification. Change. We have discussed the same kind of thing. Next one is a reconciled account. Safe reconcile account folder, reconcile account. Right. So, as I told you, we can also set reconcile account at two levels. So one is at account level and second one is a second option is a platform level. So in case, if you want to associate reconciliation account at platform level, we need to configure that details here, so our reconcile account safe. So we need to mention that reconcile account safe name in the reconcile account safe and reconcile account name. We need to put the reconcile account name. So once you go back to your account steps, you can tap. So for this account, reconcile is an account is tagged at account level. Right. Just click on clear button. Right to reconcile account. You have a clear button before to associate button. Yeah. Click on that. Yeah. Now you can see there is no reconciled account to this account. Right now we will associate reconciliation account at platform level. Then automatically that account will be tagged to this account. Okay. So now click on back arrow below to account details. You have a back arrow button below to account details. Yeah. And open Recon account. Yeah. Now copy the safe name, safe 1. Copy that. Go to your first tab, Chrome tab, and paste that value in the reconcile account safe. Just click below anywhere, you can click anywhere. Yeah, that's fine. I will apply OK. At the end. Now go back to the trick account again. Second tab. Now we need to give the reconcile account name. Right. But here name means object name. We need to provide not the username. So object name is nothing but name field below to say if you have a object name. Yeah, copy that entire name. Yeah. Copy and go to your first step. Now paste the value. Reconcile account name below. Yeah, in that well. Face. Apply. OK. Again. OK. Now go to your second tab and just go back and open that user to account. I think click on back arrow. No, this is Recon account. Right, so this platform is different. You have changed the platform for a user. So I think it's on that and see. Reconcile account will be tagged automatically on the right hand side. Just put the cursor on that, reconcile account name. It will show like policy default. So at the end it is showing policy default. So policy default is nothing, but this reconciliation account is tagged at platform level. And here associate button is highlighted and clear button is grayed out. It means this account came from the platform level. Okay. So what is the benefit if you associate reconciliation account at platform level? Means no need to associate manually at each account level. So whatever accounts you have onboarded to this platform, automatically that reconciliation account tagged to all those accounts. Okay. Yeah. Now what if in a scenario maybe the reconcile account is not being configured to a platform or neither directly to the account which is onboarded, how the password rotation would happen then? Only in that case. If your password is in sync, then we can change the password means by clicking on change button. We can change the password only, but we can't trigger reconciling. In case, if your password got expired or password is out of sync, then we can't perform reconcile. Okay, only at that point in time, or else the password rotation is still done at the back end through CPM automatically. Correct. But your password is in sync, then only change will happen. Right. So that will CPM will perform that activity periodically based on your master policies. Correct. But where exactly that configuration is hard-coded with the CPM that you know, and what account is natively used by Cyberark to change those passwords. So password manager is the CPM user, right? Correct. CPM user will fetch the password of that particular account and it will log into target server. And it will update the new password and it will update the same password on the board. Get that? So, basically, while we are creating the safe, we already have an option of choosing the CPM which is by default, the password manager, or maybe multiple CPMs. Then we use something else. Okay. Get that? Okay. Just give me a moment. So we came to the discussion, right? Just I will show you one more thing. Just 1 or 2 minutes. I hope my wall doesn't shut down now because I think I changed it for 800 megabytes or maybe 900 megabytes and increase somewhere else. So today I have started my wall right after so many days. So today I got that code -1 error.